everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, you get puppies, you get life, and a lot of PA weather. I decided to kick it off outside, but it's feeling a little noisy. Hopefully it's not picking up, but I hear the cicadas. My waterfall is on. Harvey came outside, so we'll see. The joys of being outside. I'm Laura, if you're new. I do have furry sidekicks you'll see this week. We got 3 puppies, plus my dad's puppies visiting. That's 4, as well as Harvey the kitty, who's out with me right now. Hopefully you'll catch a glimpse of him. And I hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I'm Laura, if you're new. Okay, so for today's outfit, I'm kicking it off pretty casually. I have a busy week. Obviously, don't know what's going to happen with my dad. So we'll see. So for those of you who didn't know, my dad is in the hospital. He's just experiencing some concerning issues that they're looking into. I don't have any facts yet. He's been in the hospital since last Tuesday. And I'm supposed to travel this week. So I'm supposed to travel Tuesday through Thursday. We'll see. We'll see what happens, but I'm going to prepare for that. And for my outfit, and I have some videos to film for you. So I'm trying to just organize my whole week today. For my outfit, I have on Dear John denim. I love a little bit of animal print, right? So these are a great pop. They're from a Wantable. I have on a White House Black Market Form tank. I just threw on my flip-flops. So these are by Dolce Vita. It is noisy out here this morning, I think. Wow. And for jewelry, I only put on my gold hoops, and that's it. All right, I will catch you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. It's just Tico and I today. The puppers were being bad, so they're in their crates for a bit. I have to leave anyway. Quick update on my dad. So he stayed until today to have extra tests done. He's on blood thinner, so they had to wait. And when it came down to go time, he's decided he doesn't want any of the tests. If anything's wrong, he's not going to do anything about it anyway. He's 84. I get it. We all have choices to make in our lives, and that's completely up to him. So, but obviously his choice to make, and I've decided I'm just going to give him some time to go home and relax. And I've asked for them to order scans in 3 months so they can check everything, and we'll go from there. That's about the best I can do at this point. So we don't know. We don't know, but it's his right. Anyway, I'm going to get upset about it. But there's no point in that. So let's see, my Curator posted today for summer. Love Curator. I thought there were some really great pieces in there. Hope you check it out. It's probably not too late to grab it. And for my outfit today, it's an easy one and done. I threw on a Z Supply dress. I had a quick meeting this morning I needed to do, and I was exhausted for some reason, so not moving as quickly as usual. But I love this. Easy one and done. To give it a little pizzazz, paired it with my Maeve Miami flats. Aren't those cute? Got those from Anthropologie. And I just have a bracelet on from when I was in St. Thomas, and hoop earrings. I'm ready to go. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday. Yes, I hesitated a moment. It's Tuesday. Time for outfit of the day. The gang all had to get up with me. It's a little before 5. I'm going to get on the road. Harvey's got his breakfast. The boys have all been run. And let's see, for my outfit today, I chose a Loft skirt. I have on an LNA tee. This one is from a Trendsend. And then I put over top of it this Charlie B cropped denim jacket I'm just in love with. It's so comfortable, stretch, amazing. For shoes, how about these? Fun ones from Aerosol. Are those not cute? And believe it, they're comfortable. So even though this heel is high, because it has the stack, it feels like you're wearing a flat. So I love that. For jewelry, I have on an Ana Luisa necklace, my Louis necklace. Put on small hoops and my bracelet stack. And we're going to hit the road. Okay, that's a wrap on Tuesday. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. 66 degrees outside here at 6:30 in the morning, getting up to 78 today. It's going to be a pretty day. And let's see, I have a brief presentation today. So I decided to wear a dress. How about this one from Velvet that I got from Ever Eve? I'm in love with this dress. I think it's so pretty. I'm hoping it doesn't wrinkle between now and when I have my presentation. But love this dress. Paired it with Dolce Vitas. These have that little bit of macrame look to them. And then my same jewelry as yesterday. So I have on hoop earrings, my Louis and my Ana Luisa necklace, a bracelet stack. I think I'm ready for the day. I hope your week is going fabulous. I can't believe we already made it to hump day, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It's a beautiful day outside. 73, getting up to 81 today. Sky is blue, sun is shining. The peppers are all here, and yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's not too hot, not too cool. It's nice. For my outfit, oh, my Armoire posted yesterday. Such a good one, right? The yellow dress. That yellow dress, beautiful. Such a good one. That's what I love about Armoire is you can like rent these really pretty pieces and return them and get more pretty pieces, right? Like over the top, really pricey, beautiful pieces that you don't have to spend the money on. For my outfit today, I have on a Transcend outfit. So I have on shorts by Cut From The Cloth and a tank by Michael Stars, both from a Transcend. Okay, I did put a jacket on for my work calls. So this one is by Steve Madden. Got it in a JB Stylebox. So cute. And for shoes, how about these Dolce Vitas? This went with gold. Like the little bar here at the top. And for jewelry, my bracelet stack, my Louis necklace, and that's a wrap. That's a wrap on today, right, Teek? Tico's still here. He'll be here at least until next Friday while he's getting all of his medicine. Quick update on my dad. I think I told you all, I can't remember what day, but my dad has just decided he doesn't want any more tests. He doesn't want to have treatments if there is anything wrong, so I guess he doesn't want to know. I don't know. He just wanted to go home. He just wanted to go home. So I think that was the main thing on his mind. He just wanted to go home. So he's at home, and I'm going to try to follow up later with his PCP to see if I can understand a little bit more about what we do know and what tests would be needed to understand the rest. But obviously, it's really getting windy now, right? Obviously, his choice, his decision, his body, and I'm going to have to just go with it, even if it wouldn't be my decision, right? All right, so tomorrow is Friday. I will catch you then. Hey, everybody, it is Friday. We made it. Let's see, 76 degrees, getting up to 82. The sun's out. It's cloudy today, though, but it's really nice out. Really nice. I left the puppers inside this time. And let's see. For today's outfit, I am fairly casual. I have on a pair of Daze denim from Wantable. Threw on, of course, one of my Ebby Bralettes. Love these. And then put on this cute Pilcro sweater you may remember from my Anthropologie haul. Love this so much. I did grab a jacket to put on for my video meetings and on-camera time there. And for shoes, oh, the jacket's from White House Black Market. The shoes are Schutz, little flap. And I want a bracelet stack, my Gorjana necklace, my hoops, and I think I'm set for the day. And that's a wrap on Friday. We only have one more day to go. I will see you then. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It is 61 degrees out, getting up to 85. It's only 7 in the morning. I'm off to a hair appointment. It's quieter out here this morning. My Wantable Festival Frontier style edit, so that's a limited edition themed edit, posted today. Overall, I thought it was pretty good. I had a different stylist. Her name was Kenzie, but I did keep 5 items. So I kept the Dear John denim. I kept, of course, the Z Supply floral pants, and I did buy the bandeau to go with it. It's so cute, so cute. I kept the Vigos barrel leg jean with the tie, so cute. And I kept the road tripping, so the graphic tee, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's 5. I sent back the tiered dress. That was a lot for me. The orange tee, all the C's items I sent back. The 78 and Sunny, I sent those back, as well as the Thread and Supply pant. All right. And for today's outfit, to finish off the week, I did a one and done since I'm trying to get out the door here, and I put on a dress by Evereve. Came in a trend send. Love this one. I figured since I'm not going to be with the puppers, hopefully they won't snag this dress because it is so, so pretty. I love it. Paired it with these shoes from Mark Fisher. A little bit of a heel. I like the simplicity of them. And then for jewelry, just my Louis necklace. I have on my hoop earrings I've been wearing, my bracelet stack. I'm out the door. And that's a wrap on Outfit of the Day this week. I forgot a Friday Funny this time, so I'll have to try to catch up with you next week. The puppers are always doing something, but when I'm out of town, it's hard for me to keep myself organized, let me tell you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Please share your favorite outfit, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.